UFO-Level dash cam? Meet the THINKWARE U3000. The 4K car cam's so smart it might call you driver. Say hello to the THINKWARE U3000, the elite 2-channel dash cam that captures everything except your road rage. With 4K UHD up front and 2K QHD at the rear, this beast flexes Sony's STARVIS 2 sensor to pull crystal clear footage even in pitch black night. Think Batman's night vision goggles with a degree. It's more than just a camera, it's your silent, tireless co-pilot that records every detail in case life throws curveballs or curve roads. From fender-benders to parking lot scuffles, this cam doesn't miss a blink, and it never asks for coffee breaks. What makes it a unicorn in the dashcam jungle? Let's talk tech: a next-gen Ambarella CPU, Super Night Vision 4.0, and a 158 degrees wide field of view that grabs more action than a Marvel movie. Unlike the clunky wannabes, the U3000 uses radar parking mode to monitor your car silently while parked, and when someone gets close, it wakes up, captures a buffered 20-second clip, and gives you the receipts. All with low power draw that won't suck your battery dry. No gimmicks. Just high-def justice. Want Wi-Fi? Bluetooth? THINKWARE Link app lets you pair in seconds, manage your recordings, and replay your wildest parking lot near misses. Got separation anxiety with your car? No problem. THINKWARE Connected app gives you remote live views and alerts, even when you're sipping matcha 3 time zones away. GPS tags your footage with speed and location, and speed, red light camera alerts keep your wallet safe from surprise tickets. It's like Waze and a film director had a tech-savvy baby, and gave it 4K eyes. Here's the part your wallet wants to hear. The U3000 comes bundled with a 64GB memory card, CPL filter, to reduce glare like a champ, and an OBD cable for smarter power management. It's ready to roll right out of the box. While lesser cams struggle to survive extreme heat or jolts, this one packs a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, making it hot car safe and built to outlive your car lease. Bottom line? This dashcam saves you time, saves your footage, and might just save your sanity. Compared to cheap imitators and middleweights, the U3000 is in a league of its own. Think NASA-level optics at daily driver prices. It's been tech-tested, street-approved, and feature-stuffed without stuffing you with confusion. With THINKWARE's 25-plus years of innovation and a legacy of award-winning dash cams, this isn't a risk, it's a rebellion against boring, unreliable car cams. If you want footage that looks like it came from Spielberg's secret drone, this is your upgrade. Go ahead, let your car flex in 4K. Buy it, mount it. Let it watch your 6 like a hawk in night vision goggles.